The skies over New Jersey and New York have captured global attention. From the suburbs of Pennsylvania to the busy streets of Manhattan, strange and highly advanced drones have been spotted performing aerial maneuvers that defy our understanding of modern technology. Reports are flooding in, videos are surfacing, and questions are growing. What are these mysterious objects? Who controls them, and why are they appearing now? It all started with isolated sightings. Residents in rural New Jersey described small glowing objects hovering in the distance. At first, they were dismissed as hobby drones or even pranks. But soon, reports began to pile up, stretching from New Jersey into New York City, and even as far as Massachusetts, Florida, Texas, and California. Since mid-November, the drones have been lighting up night skies with no real explanation of who is operating them or why. While plenty of questions surrounding the unidentified flying objects remain, here is what we do know. When did the drone sightings start? The drones were first spotted in New Jersey on November 18. They appear to show up in the late hours of the night, though it is not clear whether they are present every single night. Captured on smartphones, doorbell cameras, and security footage, these objects moved in ways that baffle experts. Flying in precise formations, stopping suddenly, darting across the sky at incredible speeds, and performing sharp, physics-defying maneuvers. These drones are unlike anything commercially or even militarily available. Where are they from and who is operating them? These remain the biggest unknowns, with officials unable to publicly pinpoint where the mysterious objects originated or explain exactly what they are doing. In a joint statement last week about the New Jersey reports, the FBI and the Department of Homeland Security said they have no evidence at this time that the reported drone sightings pose a national security or public safety threat or have a foreign nexus. The agencies said they are working with New Jersey State Police and federal partners to investigate. Brian Livingston, Jersey City resident. It was late at night. I saw a group of bright lights flying together in perfect formation. Then, out of nowhere, they scattered in all directions. No regular drone could do that. Experts who have analyzed the footage are stunned. While some speculate that these could be experimental military drones, others argue that even classified technology doesn't explain the precision and silence of these objects. Maria Hernandez, Brooklyn resident. It was hovering right outside my apartment window, silent, glowing, and almost watching. The moment I started recording, it shot straight upward and vanished. To the contrary, upon review of available imagery, it appears that many of the reported sightings are actually manned aircraft, operating lawfully, the statement said. There are no reported or confirmed drone sightings in any restricted airspace. The Defense Department has said that they are not owned by the military and that they are not coming from an Iranian mothership off the East Coast, as Rep's Jeff Van Drew, RNJ, suggested. The sightings are not confined to one area. From Ohio to Florida, and even near Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, similar encounters have been reported. In fact, the base itself was briefly shut down last Friday due to a reported drone incursion. How many drones have been spotted? Mayors who were at a briefing last week with New Jersey officials and a DHS representative told NBC News that no one from state or federal agencies was able to confirm exactly how many drones had been spotted over New Jersey. One reported knowing of at least 400 sightings, and another said there could be thousands. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy, a Democrat, said on WBGO Radio of Newark last week that there could be over-reporting of sightings, with many residents potentially seeing the same devices or mistaking other flying objects for drones. A senior official briefed on the drone sightings in New Jersey said there were 79 reports of sightings in the state overnight Thursday. Several New Jersey officials have said the sightings occur up to 180 times per night. Authorities have urged residents to stay calm as investigations unfold. The FAA confirmed no authorized drone activity in the areas of the sightings, deepening the mystery. If not commercial, government, or hobbyist drones, then what are they? Could these drones be part of a covert military program? Or perhaps they're experimental technology from another nation? Some, however, believe these sightings could have extraterrestrial origins. With their silent operation, lightning-fast movements and otherworldly precision, they match descriptions of unexplained aerial phenomena observed by military pilots. In 2020, the Pentagon declassified videos showing UFOs that performed maneuvers no human-made aircraft could replicate. Are we seeing the same phenomena now in New York and New Jersey? Dr. Emily Roswell, physicist. The precision and silence of these drones raise profound questions. Either they represent a leap in undisclosed technology, or we're witnessing something entirely beyond human capability. Some speculate the drones could be tools of surveillance, monitoring human behavior, infrastructure, or even national security assets. Others fear they could be extraterrestrial probes, here to observe us for reasons unknown. Still, there's the possibility of foreign espionage. With technology so advanced, it shifts the balance of power. What should you do if you see a drone? Drones have to be operated by pilot, so they are not threats to people or their property, according to the FAA's website dedicated to drones, which suggests contacting local law enforcement officials if you think someone is unsafely flying a drone. But you definitely should not try to shoot them down, even though some lawmakers suggest you should. Experts said shooting drones is illegal and could result in serious injuries. The FAA classifies drones as aircraft, and under the Aircraft Sabotage Act, damaging or destroying aircraft is a federal offense, even if they are flying over private property. A private citizen shooting at any aircraft, including unmanned aircraft, poses a significant safety hazard. An unmanned aircraft hit by gunfire could crash, causing damage to persons or property on the ground, or it could collide with other objects in the air, the FAA said. It could also start fires, according to Pramod Abichandani, an associate professor at the School of Applied Engineering and Technology at the New Jersey Institute of Technology and the director of the school's Advanced Air Mobility Lab. A drone has a lithium battery for the most part, Abichandani said. If you shoot at it, assuming you target it correctly, and you actually hit the drone is going to fall somewhere. The lithium battery can explode, cause a fire, and of course it can cause damage to property. As sightings continue, residents are on edge, armed with cameras, binoculars, and growing curiosity. The skies over New Jersey, New York, and beyond hold secrets that demand answers. Are these sightings evidence of groundbreaking human technology? Or do they point to something more mysterious, perhaps something not of this world? One thing is certain, we're not alone in asking these questions. The truth may still be out there, just waiting to be uncovered. What do you think these drones are? Secret military tech, alien surveillance, or something else entirely? Share your theories in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mysterious discoveries from our world and beyond.